Let's ride on the rivers of America on the Mark Twain Riverboat. Come on, everybody. The Mark Twain Riverboat is an opening day attraction that takes you along a scenic tour of the rivers of America. The ride is about 12 minutes long and is family friendly.
Mark Twain means the water here is 2 fathoms deep. That means it's safe enough for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey along the rivers of America. We begin our trip right here on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans. New Orleans is rich in history, music, good food, and ghost stories. I heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it an even 1,000. If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after we arrive back at the landing at Frontierland. We're now passing Fowler's Harbor. This is homeport for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Like I said, just another tall tale. While you're in Critter Country, you might want to grab a paddle and try your hand at the Explorer canoe. You can work up a real good sweat rowing one of those around the river. Me? I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain Riverboat any day.
Beavers too at the bottom of the bridge. Oh yeah.
Just beyond the shaman is a tribe of Plains Indians, setting up their camp along the banks of the river. As we continue our journey, keep a close eye on the riverbanks. There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain lions, and other wildlife. Young Tom always said he wanted to be a pirate, and I think I see why. If you're a pirate, you don't need to get up early in the morning and go to school, and you never have to wash your face and hands. We're now heading back into civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance are the towering buttes of Big Thunder Mountain, where our journey ends. On behalf of our entire crew, I hope you enjoyed your voyage with us and that you'll visit us again in Greenville City.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.